What is up, social media? Hello YouTube, hello everybody. Today we're going to be doing a little unboxing video of my KFD Tuning Shop version 2 widebody kit. The company contacted me over a month ago, like a month and a half, no, close to 2 months ago. And we worked something out. They have now shipped me the first version 2 widebody kit for the Lexus IS300, and I could not be any more excited and stoked and just thankful and extremely happy to finally have this in my possession. And this weekend I'm gonna hopefully get it on the car. I do have vinyl wrap for the car as well, so she'll be wide-bodied and wrapped before this next drift event coming up, which I'll have more content and footage from that as well, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, anyways, today I'm gonna film an unboxing video of my version 2 KFD Tuning Shop widebody kit. Having their angle kit on my car completely changed my driving. I drove a basically stock IS300 with the OEM Torsen LSD, as well as like BC coilovers and a bucket seat. Drove it like that for like 2 years. So I didn't have any crazy steering angle. And then once I had my KFD Tuning Shop knuckle kit on the car, it just changed my life. I don't know. I'm glad that I went as long as I did without steering angle, because it really helped me get comfortable in the chassis just in a stock form. But now that I have the KFD Tuning Shop knuckle kit, it's great. And you know, I've had it for the last year. It's been amazing, no complaints about that. And now I'm gonna get to run their version 2 widebody kit. And it's the first one in the United States. So I'm very excited. You know, always gotta keep that thing on you. Well, I got most of the cardboard off already. My first impressions are that it is packaged very well so far. You know, there's not much wiggle room for a lot of shit to move around. Oh, we got our windshield banner there, and it definitely smells like FRP. Ooh, stickers, yes. All right guys, so I got the KFD widebody kit unboxed, unwrapped. I'm very impressed with how they shipped this thing. Nothing is cracked, nothing is broken. Cannot wait to get this on the car this weekend. Hopefully get it done this weekend. But anyways, make sure you guys subscribe to the YouTube channel and stay tuned for the upcoming couple videos of us actually putting it onto the car. I've got my vinyl wrap that's going on as well. And we've got an upcoming drift event that I'm gonna attend. So you'll get to see it get all bashed up and hopefully not smashed into at the next drift event. Anyways, there it is. If you like drifting, and if you like chaos, and if you like IS300s, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned.